How to recover Roblox account without phone or email. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're going to head over here in Google and we're just going to go ahead and open Roblox. So I'm going to click the login button here, and then what we are going to do is click need help down here. Then again, we can be redirected here wherein we can recover our Roblox account using our email or phone number. But again, we don't have access to these, so go ahead and click the help button down below, and then here go ahead and type forgot, and you should be seeing something like this. Logging in, I forgot my password. Go ahead and click that one. Alright, so this is how you're going to reset your password using email, but we don't have access to that. This is for the phone number, and again, we don't have access to that. So what we are going to do is head over down here. Now it says here that you won't be able to reset your password with this feature if you don't have your email address or phone number associated to that account. So what we are going to do is basically contact customer support, but then again, please take note that all players must verify ownership of an account before it can be reset or any information change. So make sure that you have that. So I'm just going to go ahead and click customer support, and then go ahead and put here your date of birth. Make sure that it exactly matches as your Roblox account. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one just like so. And after doing so, just go ahead and click continue. Now here, I want you to go ahead and input your contact information. Although this is optional, I highly encourage you to get this done. So we have here your username, first name, email address, and then the confirmation. And then describe your issue. So what device are you having a problem on? Go ahead and click this, and I'm going to go ahead and choose PC. And then type of help category, go ahead and click this one. And then we have the first option here, account hack or can't log in, and then we have the secondary one right here, and then I'm gonna choose forgot password. Now go ahead and try to fill in the information here. Go ahead and describe the issue, and after describing the issue here, Roblox should contact you about this problem, and then again, you'll have to verify your identity. So any identity verification that you could provide proving that you are the ownership of that particular account is going to be necessary. So again, go ahead and try to do it this way, and again, if you can provide ownership, you should be able to recover your account.